Díobh gach duine and welcome back to Grasping Gaeilge. Today we're going to look at sentence structure. This is how we structure our sentences as Gaeilge. It goes verb, subject, object. Again, that is verb, subject, object. Verb being your action word, subject being the person who's doing the action, and then the object is your noun, so your thing. Verb, subject, object. Mar hampla, de, an madra, an bia. De is your verb, madra is your subject, so the person doing the action. Bia being your thing. Another one, drastal, an Colleen, skull. Drastal being your verb, Colleen being the person doing your verb, and skull being your thing. Drastal an Colleen skull. The girl attended school. Another example, for May grad A. For being your verb, May being the person doing the action, and then grad A, the thing. For May grad A, I got an A. Now it's time to test your knowledge, and I'm going to give you 3 to do. The first one, Sheila went to the shop. Sheila went to the shop. The second one, I watched Netflix. Again, I watched Netflix. And the last one you're going to try today is Tom drank tea. Tom drank tea. Pause the video, write them down, or do them in your head, and we'll be back with the answers the second one. Okay, the first one you had to do is Sheila went to the shop. Cuaig Sheila gadi an shoppa. Cuaig being your verb, Sheila being your person who's doing the action, and shoppa being your object. The second one, I watched Netflix. Deach may Netflix. Deach, your verb, may, the person doing the action, and Netflix, the thing. And then finally, the last one that you had to do was Tom drank tea. Dul Tom tay. It's kind of like a tongue twister. Dul Tom tay. Dul being your verb, Tom being your person who's doing the action, and tay being your thing. So, live. See you next week.